Buccaneers, excited?
Too much excited, Prayaka.
No such ka 7-4 when 7-4 go never go at Ridgeville, ne?
Ridgeville, yeah. I was not worried, my brother. We know how to play this game. Mamelodi Sundowns ke team enyane Praga. E re krile mo PSL, e be tlo re share ona mo PSL. If Mozebe can play this game ya haya or reka, we can do much better than him. I don't want to call him by names, but I was not afraid to take him on a 7. By the way, it's a useless 7 goals. It's a useless 7 goals.
Useless.
Yeah, it's very useless 7 goals. Bakurle 7 goals. We've scored 3. How can you score 7 goals and concede?
Mara out Williams Mara for Bafana. Okay, one of these things on a conversation chain between Chain and Peterson. Mara Abamu include Woki Williams and Upizwa concede.
I don't think Williams is suitable for World Cup because of he's not doing currently well.
Exactly.
I think Chain is the one. Today, I think we saw the weakest links. All the goalkeepers separated. Bafana. Agaraga never dlala siweleli. Gos ke na kipilego siweleli.
Na igarna siya Gos. Igarba ba mgane DJ on loan from Sundowns.
Oh, he was not there.
Yeah.
So
I'm not sure, but that's what I heard on the news.
Linda negesa level level last call I was not interested because negele basically. So if Nelly and I keep playing, we consider 4. And then Williams consider 7, and then Williams consider 4, and then they are both contenders of Bafana.
Yeah.
So I think maybe if we go must look at something at the Mfano Arena Chain, at the Peterson, because Peterson previously when I went to he's been doing very well.
He's doing very well, Peterson. He deserved to go to World Cup.
He deserved to go to World Cup because of the performance along we played. You can remember it's a showstopper. We could not really Sundowns so for this season. We really reina and then game fitting last thing na 3-0. So you could tell or maybe if then he was there, something would have happened. Take a game the Kaizer Chiefs.
Maybe let's look at this. Now you've got you are Hugo Bruce. You've got 4 goalkeepers. Who do you chop?
Obviously, for now I'll chop. I think Gos.
Yeah. Why?
Honestly speaking, even though Williams is not doing very well, but honestly speaking, I don't think if maybe it was capital more point to chop at 1 out of what I would chop. Because Williams, even though he's a little bit taking, but I don't think maybe Gos is better than Williams. Like honestly speaking, now football, not taking sides and everything. So the main date of Orlando Pirates this season was to dethrone Mamelodi Sundowns.
And now, do you consider yourself champion in waiting?
I would like to say congratulations to Orlando Pirates for winning the Betway 2025-2026 Premier League.
Dango. So we win a guy because next week Escotini against Durban City. Are you not worried? I mean, they've got this thing. They just won Barking. They just won the Nedbank. Are you not worried about them?
I am not worried about them. The thing that I'm worried about is Mamelodi Sundowns going to buy the game at TS Galaxy. But now my boss, I know that they are going to perform. So I'm not worried about Durban City at all. By the way, come Saturday, I think maybe tomorrow we can go to a league. If maybe Sundowns even though maybe they win, it's not a problem.
Is it going to Rustenburg? What's going on with this venue uncertainty around? Bangwari PE, Bangwari Mafikeng, Bangwari Rustenburg. What's along? Why? Where got on a secret, Signana? What's along?
Not yet confirmed. I think maybe they are still. If then maybe Roy Kuka last game here of it.
Yeah.
I think maybe they will take it to Moses Mabita.
Oh, Moses Mabi.
You must watch the space. Yeah, they are just
why Moses?
Capacity, support, and everything.
Yes.
Yeah, because it's a bigger venue. It's a bigger venue there, and then obviously for support and everything. Yeah. I don't think they will take it to FN.
Where would you want it between? Because another venue, because what I heard, Gore, before season starts, you register alternative venues, and I think Orbit venues is FNB and PE. That's why if you remember the last game, the Chiefs, they took it to PE. So meaning that between that, it may go to FNB
FNB
or PE. So it might actually not make sense for them to actually take it straight to Soweto Pella. If you take it to Naturena, you are more or less having taken it to Barking. So Mara, I think it can favor you. What do you think?
I think even if they take it to PE, I mean, it's Orlando Pirates. Everywhere we go, it's a home ground advantage for us. So even if they can take it to Cape Town, or they can take it everywhere they want to take it, it's a home ground advantage for us. So I don't a venue for me. I don't think it's something which I can say maybe hey, it's far and
Maybe in closing, overall game vandaag, we won.
The game was brilliant today. I would like to congratulate Danson. What a brilliant player.
What a player.
What a player. The composure, first touch. I think the boy is a rising star. And then we must take care of the boy. Sipo Chain, Mr. Clean Sheet again.
And he broke the record, by the way.
Yeah, so we must congratulate him, the coach, the staff, and speedy recovery to Moremi. I'm so worried about Moremi.
But I hear that he's back in training.
Yeah, but I want him to be fit because we also need him there by the World Cup.
Yeah.
And then correct. I would like to call this thing of karate. I know that people Banyaga League and everything, but I think
let's play football.
Let's play football because of injury go batho bana re tlo ba need ape league ya fela o setse net game tse pedi and then batho ba re tlo ba need
and we need them people like Barkimam Dudu Shabalala.
Yeah. So no problem. My man of the match for Nakefa Tito Maswangani.
Can I last question for you, okay. And I'll allow last question. Ntwane Barki Slab played for TTC the last game today. Yeah. He was even the man of the match. What do you make of that boy? Do you want to see him in the next season?
No, I think it's up to the coach, but the boy they can go up, they can go down. So it's a brilliant player. It's same as Mufugame. But for now, if then it's an automatic player for me. So it's fine for me. And then by the way, congratulations to the boys again for taking the DDC.
Okay. Dango Bagania. We'll see you at Escotini next week.
Next week.
Dango Bagania.